Say hello to 375 South 3rd Street, where modern ease and campus proximity collide in the charm of Burbank. Only for you, based on the spacious non-ensuite you choose, you'll enjoy a private room, flat-screen TV for cinematic marathons, a balcony or patio to unwind, an expertly equipped kitchen for smooth culinary adventures, and in-unit laundry for breezy wash days. It gets better. Along with basic essentials, your rent also covers warp-speed Wi-Fi with complimentary Netflix, so your post-study breaks are never boring. Start your day in the fitness centre, then dive into the pool or relax in the spa. Catch up with friends in the recreation room or gather around the outdoor fireplace for a barbecue night. Plus, 24/7 Amazon Hub package lockers are available for added convenience. You're just a short miles away from Woodbury University and University of Redlands Burbank campus. With buses from Olive and IKEA, plus the Burbank train station, transit is seamless. There's no reason to wait when 375 South 3rd Street, Burbank, is everything you need. Book now on amberstudent.com.